Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today topic is southern hybridization. The name of this technique is derived from the following. The name of its inventor E.M. Southern. The DNA hybridization that form its basis. It is also called southern blotting since procedure of transfer of DNA from gel into nitrocellulose filter paper. In southern hybridization, the following steps are performed. First is DNA fragment treated with restriction endonuclease. Second is the restriction fragment of DNA present in agarose gel. Third is after electrophoresis, DNA denatured into single stranded from by alkali treatment. Next is they are transferred onto a nitrocellulose filter membrane, a buffer saturated filter paper, then laying the nitrocellulose filter membrane on the top of the gel. Finally, placing some dry filter paper on the top of membrane. DNA becomes trapped into the nitrocellulose membrane. This process known as blotting and takes several hours to complete. Next is the nitrocellulose membrane is now removed from the blotting stack and DNA permanently immobilized on the membrane by baking in it at 80 degrees Celsius in vacuum. The single stranded DNA was a high affinity for nitrocellulose membrane, then transfer baked membrane and heated with a solution containing 0.2 each phycol on artificial polymers sucrose and polyvinyl pyrrolidome and wovenine serum album. The pretreated membrane is placed into a solution radioactive single-stranded DNA called probe DNA fragment into the gel membrane that is complementary to the probe. The condition during this stop and chosen so that probe hybridizes with the complementary DNA on the membrane to the greatest extent with a low specific binding on the membrane. This step known as hybridization reaction. After the hybridization reaction, the membrane was washed to remove the unbound probes. Last one is the membrane is now placed in close contact with a X-ray film. The film is developed several distinct band indicating position in the gel of the DNA fragment that are complementary to the radioactive probe used to study.